Welcome to Baritone Cult. Thanks for tuning in, guys. Tonight, we've got the EarthQuaker Erupter Fuzz pedal. And I figured, you know what? I'm going to put this out here because I actually really like this fuzz pedal. So I'm going to play it for you in a second here. You know, I'm sitting here, I'm thinking, see, got my Iron Maiden shirt on. I was into these guys when I was young. I had every poster all over my room. And I just remember the songs that Iron Maiden wrote. You know, I've been listening to a lot of Fit for an Autopsy too lately. But I'm not like stuck in the past. I still love this band though. And one of the things that I really loved about this band was the bass player, Steve Harris. And he was the big writer in that band actually. You know, one time when I drove out to California to meet up with my band and had all my gear in the back of my truck when I was 19. I mean, that's 40 hours of driving to Southern Cal. I played that Power Slave album in my tape deck. Back to back, back to back, back to back. All the way to California. Man. Well, anyways, let's get back to the pedal over here. I was just having a memory for a second and I'm like, I'm rocking my Iron Maiden shirt on, you know. Man, I was into those guys. What a huge, huge band back in the day. The number one band was Slayer, though. That Jeff Henneman, man, with his licks. You hear a lot of people talking about Slayer still. Man, what a killer band. So, we've got the fuzz pedal tonight. It's EarthQuaker Erupter, and let's check it out. Let's click that baby on. So here's our sound. Nothing. Let's give it up a little. Let's turn this baby up just a little. So I got the dial at about 25%. You know, we just flipped the camera on. I wasn't even sure what I was going to play. That kind of sounds cool. So let's give it a little bit more juice and we'll go right back to that little riff. Let's go 50%. Right in the middle. This thing sounds killer, right? Just cranked up just a tiny bit though. Let's crank it to like 75%. Now the single notes on here are really gonna sing. We're gonna take this down a bit. We're gonna go right back about 25% on that pedal. Just dialed up just a little bit. Nope, we need it up more. Let's go about 40% up, just right before the halfway. Needs more. Right about 2 o'clock. Okay, now this is with it all the way down. So it's not even on, but it's on. Doesn't work for that. Well, anyways, guys, that's going to be it for that. I just figured I just want to start being really honest with everybody on the channel. You know what I mean? I've been thinking about that a lot lately. There's a lot of content out there. There's a lot of videos out there. And I'm not trying to make a business out of this, but I'm not trying to crap on anybody either. And so I think this pedal is definitely an awesome pedal to buy. I've had it for a while. You can probably pick them up used. Now, if you buy it and you don't like it, you can come back to my video and leave the hate in the comments. I don't really care. But I think it's a good pedal. And, you know, doing demos like this, I got a whole bunch of them over there. John has a whole bunch of them that we really like. You know, I know everybody likes different stuff, but there is a lot of bunk stuff out there, you know. And you don't want to spend a couple $100 and be, you know, let down. I don't want to be let down, you know. That's what we're going to try to do, is just give it to you straight. You know, we're going to stay in our lane. Because, you know, I've just been thinking about it. Every video I click on, yeah, it's awesome, it's awesome. No, there's a lot of them that aren't awesome. you know, but I'm gonna be a little more candid as we move forward. So anyways, guys, I'm wrapping it up. I'm gonna give it to you honest. I'm gonna give it to you good. You guys stay awesome.